Home Coast, Namaste and Dobra Utram. Today I am going to show you how to make a crispy eggplant because someone of our lovely client make a request that can you please make this crispy eggplant. So we are very busy, but I am trying to make grabong only for your request. And please must watch and leave the comment that how you like and how you make at home. Thank you very much. Please be continue with me. So as a client request, our client say, can you please show how you make the crispy eggplant? So I'm gonna show you how to make crispy eggplant. So first we take this eggplant, then we will cut 1/2, then again 1/2. It means 1/4. This depend on the eggplant is how big. And see, we make like these pieces. Like this, and we make this much grabong. You can see. This is our grabong. We cut like these pieces. You can see 1/4. Then small pieces, cubes. You can see. See how big and how thick this one. Okay, now we show next process. This all pieces 2.5 centimeter like this. You can see it looks very nice. And now I'm gonna show you how we mix this one, then how it's become crispy, how we fry. Please be continue with me. Now I'm gonna show you how we make this batter. We put here half wheat flour and half we have put corn flour. We mix and little bit red curry paste, Thai red curry paste, and salt according the taste. Now we're going to be mixed. You can see how we are mixing this one. इसको बंद कर दो, आपको कंसिडर अच्छा था. You can see how we are mixing. Must be half wheat flour, half corn starch. You can put corn starch little bit more, and you can make ratio. It means 16 to 40. Like 16% of corn starch and 40% wheat flour. We call maida. You can see tartu meal is Yahoo. Nas Nisu Yahoo tartu meal. Yeah. Now you can see, and little bit we put here oil and little baking powder also. You can see how making, and we put cooking oil little bit. Then it's become more shine to grabong. And this we are making for our client request. And ma'am, if you see this one, then please put comment that how you make and how was it. Okay, and I hope you will make comment. And then we put here, we mix with this. Now we are showing how we mix. Now we mix like this. See, now we mix this eggplant with this batter, which I show you before, and how we make. And now we mix with this one, and this must be stay in 5 minutes with this. We call chesta, yes, and maybe I hope you can understand chesta, and we call batter in English. Batter, what I show to you, what I make this, you can show you like this. And later we will make this one also. You know, our crispy eggplant is very popular here, and this is maybe not enough for today. We are selling this one a lot every day. So I will make this one, then I will show you next process what we're gonna do with this one. Okay, ma'am? Now you can see this is corn flour, and now after 5 minutes we put all pieces with corn flour. You can see. Joseph, आप इधर से आ जाओ. इधर से much comfortable. See how we making crispy eggplant. This is only corn starch, corn flour, not any other flour mixing there. Only corn starch, corn flour only. We mix all eggplant with this.
फिर इसको 5 मिनट
And it will be stay 4 or 5 minutes again like this with corn flour. Then it's become more crispy. And see how we are putting one by one. This is grabong here. This one.
8 मिनट का
This is going to be in oil. You can see how it's frying. We fry also this one also and this one also. और ये our grabong is going to be ready. You can see how it's become crispy. It's going to become crispy. You can see. Wow, very nice. Now we are going to make sauce for grabong. We put pan top of the fire. On fire we put oil, little bit cooking oil. Then after we put chopped garlic to make it golden brown. It's going to be golden brown. Then after we have to put here when this golden brown this garlic. Then after we have to put tomato ketchup. This tomato ketchup. Make it hot and mix with garlic oil all together nicely. Have to mix nicely this one. Put sugar. We put salt according to the taste. How much we have ketchup according to that one we have to put salt, sugar. We put already. Then after we put water. Must be water. Make like this thin this first. Then after we put soya sauce, we put sesame oil. You can see we put honey. Honey give always good flavor in this sauce. Must be put honey and mix all together. You can put sesame seed also. You can put. After we have to put sweet chili sauce also. In this mustard sauce you can put sweet chili sauce 1 teaspoon and this is corn starch, corn flour. For make this one thickness, yeah. Then now your sauce is now thick. It's become now thick. You can see. After we put your onion. You can put a capsicum also, whatever you want, what vegetable you want. But we put only onion. It's a good combination with grabong and onion. Yeah, you can see. This looks very nice. This is our sauce is now ready. We have to make this sauce like this always. You can see. We put now sweet chili sauce also. Now we put your grabong. You can see, very crispy. Now we have to mix this one very nicely all together. We mix. Yes, now we are going to be plating on this grabong. We put like this. we make like this plating, and you give little bit salad also with grabong and onion, and this grabong all together. This looks very nice with little bit sauce, and we can put on top sesame seed for garnishing. Is very nice. So finally, friends, our grabong is ready, and we are going to be try. So finally, I am going to be taste this grabong, and we was very busy, but someone of our client say that please make this grabong recipe how to make, and I take time and I make this grabong for you, because after 2-3 days I am going to be India and I cannot get time, and I make request my chef also that make less together in grabong, and now I am going to be try this grabong, and who eat it here already they know how is our grabong, and you can see. I hope you can hear the sound how much crispy is this one, and very hot also. Very nice. So ma'am, this was our recipe that how to make grabong. I hope you like, and please if you like, and let me know and how you make at home, and you try or not. And thank you very much for requesting. So thank you for watching this video, and I would like to thank all our lovely client who loves our food and who giving us too much love and support. Thank you very much, and I hope if I know someone client also by name is Robert sir. You like also our grabong. If you see this video, please put the comment how you like, and see you after 3 and 4 months. I'm going to be India, so how is weather in our India I will show everybody. Take care, be nice. Thank you very much.